Good morning, students. In this lecture, you are going to learn skill-oriented practicals. It is given in your IT textbooks, Computers Accounting with GST. And this first practical is given, that is the board practical, skill-oriented practical first. Now we are going to create a new company. The company details are given. Mr. Ravindra Kumar started business by the name Messrs. Bitwise Trading Company in the year 2090. Of this company detail we are going to create in a tally or GNU Khata. So company details are given. Company name Mrs. Bisby Trading Company, address 102 MG Road, Bhavna Nagar, Latur 413512. State is given Maharashtra. Website is given bitwisetrading.com. Email ID is given info@bitwise.com. Maintain account with inventory. Yeah, account with inventory is given. So financial year is 1/4/2090. As you know that we started the financial year in April and it end with the March. So book beginning the same day. April 2019. So here it is mentioned, with the help of any open source or free education version accounting software, pass the following transaction appropriate voucher to display and print various report such as trial balance, profit and loss account, balance sheets and daybook. So we have already learned tally and GNU Khata, that is called GNU Khata. So now we are going to use any one software to make these transactions entry, and we are going to see the trial balance, profit and loss account, balance sheet and the day book. So let's see the transactions entries are transactions given already. 1st April 2019, Mr. Ravindra Kumar started business with cash 5 lakh. Same day again purchase good from Sharda Steel Work on credit 20,000. Then 2nd May paid salary to staff 5,000. 1st June check deposit into Bank of India 50,000. Next, 2nd June sold goods to Rakesh Enterprise on cash 25,500. Then purchased machinery 10,000. Received interest on cash deposit in Bank of India 2,000. Date wise we are going to prepare this while solving this problem for the board exam. So you can use any software, that is Tally or GNU Khata. So now I'm going to show this in the Tally, and the GNU Khata last time you already learned. So we are going to start the Tally now. So go to your computer if it is there in your computer, Tally. Otherwise in the mobile TOM software I asked you to download from the Play Store, that you are going to use to solve this program. Okay, so Tally ERP9. Open the Tally ERP9. Okay, once you started the Tally, then you have to go to the work in education mode, and you have to create a new company. Now we are going to create a company by pressing F1, select company option. In this you are going to select the existing company, or you can create a new company by pressing Alt plus F1, and then go to the create company here. So double click on create company and fill the details of new company. Now what are the new details are given of the company is here. So your Bitwise Trading Company, so we can fill this detail over here. Bitwise Trading Company Limited. Okay, then address of the company. What is the address of the company is given? 102 MG Road, Bhavna Nagar. 102 MG Road, one zero two 102 MG Road, Bhavana Nagar, Latur 413512. India, State Maharashtra. Pin code it is already given, so same pin code you can write 413512. Phone number it is given, then you have to enter. It is not given, so don't enter. That website is given, so you can write www dot email address also is given, info at the rate bitwise.com, bitwise.com. And the website is given, no not given, the website is given www bitwise trading.com. Then the year is given 1/4/2019. 2019. Then other things are not given, so you press the enter key, go front, accept the information of the company. Once you accepted the information of company, directly the company is selected from the list Bitwise Trading Company Limited. Here it is selected Bitwise Trading Company Limited. Now we are going to create a voucher entry. Before go for the voucher entry, we have to create a ledgers account. Okay, we are going to find out the ledger account. So we must go to the entries first here. What are the entries as asks here first? Journal entries are given. Mr. Transaction is given. Mr. Ravindra Kumar started business with cash. Started business with cash. This is the two account we are going to get, that is cash account debit to capital account. So here we can create, go to the account info first, then go to the ledger, then go to the create, and here create first. Cash is by default, so you can create capital account. Capital account under group capital, you can select from the list also the capital here and press enter key. Okay, this is the first two ledger we created, as cash account debit to capital account. This is the receipt vouchers. When we are going to create a voucher, that time we are going to make this receipt voucher. As you know, the format is given date, particular amount, debit amount, credit amount, then ledger account you are going to find, and then you can write a type of voucher. The next is purchase good from Sharda Steelwork on credit, 20,000 is given. So here purchase good from Sharda Steelwork on credit it is given. So we can find here two account on credit is, so purchase account debit to Sharda Steelwork account it is. So first we are going to create a purchase account. Purchase account under purchase, so here it will go to the purchase account. Under purchase account, press enter key. So purchase account is over. Next is Sharda Steelwork on credit. This is a creditor, so you can write Sharda Steel Work. Sharda Steelwork account is a creditor, so you can write sundry creditor. So you can select from your sundry creditor. Sundry creditor, fill the details of all this and then press enter key. So here two account over. Next, paid salary to staff. Next transaction is given paid salary to staff, means salary account debit to cash. Here cash goes out on behalf of salary. Okay, so it is a payment voucher. So for that you are going to create two account, that is salary account debit to cash account. So salary account we are going to create now. Salary account. So under indirect expenses, here you are going to find from this indirect expenses. Here indirect expenses you have to select, because salary after month we are going to pay. So salary account is over. Next transaction is given, that is cash deposit into Bank of India. So Bank of India account debit to cash account. Here also contra voucher we are going to make. So Bank of India account ledger we are going to create. Bank of India bank account. This will go under bank account here. So bank account. Okay, next cash account is by default, so no need to create a ledgers. Next one is given, that is sold goods to Rakesh Enterprises on cash. On cash it is, so cash account debit to sales account. So cash account also by default, so we are going to just create a sales account. Sales account under sell account. Next is purchase machinery. Purchase machinery 10,000. Your purchase machinery, purchase account machinery account debit to cash account credit. So machinery fixed asset. So we are going to create a new ledger machinery. machinery account, fixed asset. Here you're going to select fixed asset. Fixed asset is over. uh, the next, received interest on cash deposit into Bank of India. Received interest on cash deposit into Bank of India. The amount which is deposited in the Bank of India, how much amount you deposit? 50,000. On that you got a interest 2,000. So here cash account debit to bank account. So received here interest, received interest. So we are going to create a new account, interest account, interest received account, interest received account. This is your income, so indirect income it is, not expenses, because this is interest you got. Okay, so here we have created all the ledgers. Here we have created all the ledgers. So now we are going to create a voucher entry. Now to create a voucher entry you have to come out from this by pressing escape key. Once you press the escape key, you will come out, and then you go to the first gateway of Tally. In this gateway of Tally there are the accounting vouchers, so click on this accounting vouchers, and now you can start making the vouchers. Now which is the first voucher here? Mr. Ravindranath started business with cash. So here this is a receipt voucher. For receipt voucher you are going to click on F6 function key. You can press the F6 function key or click on receipt voucher. So now receipt voucher is accepted here. So receipt voucher come on the screen. You can make a journal entry over here. So now what we are given debit and what we are given credit. So here cash account debit to capital. Now here to capital, so you can write here to capital. So here it is from the list of ledger, you can select capital. How much amount you brought in the business? 5 lakh. So you can write here 5 lakh. 5 lakh by cash, in the form of cash. So you write here cash. Now here you can write narration being business started, being business started. Okay, and accept the voucher entry. Click on S. So once you click on the S, receipt voucher is accepted. The first voucher is over. Now second voucher is purchase good from Shraddha Steelwork on credit. On credit means purchase voucher, and purchase voucher you are going to press the F9 function key or just click on purchase. Okay, so your purchase voucher. Now supplier invoice number you can give 101. The date you are going to change it according to that 14 it is correct, it is. So next, party account name is Sharda Steelwork. So you can take Sharda Steelwork. Here look here, Sharda Steelwork account. Select this one. Then you have to fill the details of the supplier. Here all address, state, sale tax number, everything you are going to fill. Now here purchase account. Now what you purchase in from that goods. So also you can press and create a good. Primary. Press enter key. Now goods you purchase, how much rupees you purchase the goods from this Sharda Steelwork? 20,000. So you can mention here 20,000 and press enter key. Write being good purchase on credit. On credit. Accept the voucher. The second voucher is over now. Third voucher, paid salary to staffs. Paid salary to staff. So here supplier in here payment voucher. So you are going to press the F5 function key or click on payment voucher. Here F5 or click on payment voucher. So once you click on the payment voucher, then what you are going to give the debit and what you are going to give the credit. So by what? Salary account debit to cash. So salary, here salary account you are going to select from the list. You can select the salary account. Okay, salary, how much you paid? 5,000. So you can write here 5,000. To cash, how you paid the salary? By cash. So cash. Okay, salary account debit to cash account credit. Here being salary paid. Okay, being salary paid to staff. You can write over here and accept this voucher also by clicking on S. Okay, here this payment voucher also is over. Now next, cash deposit into Bank of India 1st June. So you can this cash deposit into Bank of India. Me contra voucher. Press F4 function key for contra. Look here, F4 for contra. So contra, you can then Bank of India account debit. Here you can press change the date. Here date will go 1/6 1/6. June is taken already. Okay, Bank of India, how much? Bank of India cash deposit into Bank of India 50,000. So 50,000 by check, no. So here press enter key, by cash. So cash, bank account debit to cash account 50,000. Here you can write being narration, right? Being cash deposited into bank. Press enter key. So here you have to accept the contra voucher. So press enter key or click on S. So here contra voucher is over. Now next voucher is sold goods to Rakesh Enterprises on cash. Sold good to Rakesh Enterprises on cash means cash account debit to sales account. Here received voucher. So here you are going to click on F6 or press F6 function key or click on receipt voucher. So receipt voucher will come. Now you can change the date by pressing the F2 function key. You can change the date. What is the date of this? Again same 2/6. So you can write here 2/6. Okay, 2nd June. And now you can create a voucher. So cash account debit to sales account, here sales account, name of item is goods, amount how much? 25,500 by cash, the cash account, being goods sold, accept the voucher by clicking on S or press the enter key. So here receipt voucher is over. Now the next voucher is payment voucher, because here we purchase the machinery. So the date is before, you have to click the payment voucher and then change the date by pressing the F2. Here date is given 2/7. So type here 2/7 July. Okay, 2/7. Purchase machinery, machinery account debit to cash account. Here machinery account already we have created, so you can type here machinery, it will come. Okay, here purchase machinery account came. So machinery account how much? 10,000 machinery. Okay, to cash. So here cash account to cash, narration being machinery purchase, accept the voucher by clicking on S or press enter key. So here the last transaction is left, that is received interest on cash deposit in Bank of India. So here 2/12 the date is given. So here received voucher again. So press F6 and then you can write received interest on cash deposit in Bank of India. So here interest received, cash account debit to interest received. So interest received how much? 2,000 by cash. So here 2,000 being interest received on deposited amount in bank. Save this by clicking on S. So this voucher also got saved. So these are the different voucher entry we made. Now we are going to see here what is asked. Look here what is asked in the problem, that with the help of any open source free education version accounting software, pass the following transaction. We already passed in appropriate vouchers to display and print various reports such as trial balance. Now we are going to see the trial balance first, then the profit and loss account, and then the balance sheet, and then the day book we are going to see. Okay, now one by one we are going to see. To see the trial balance, you have to come out from this voucher entry by pressing escape key. Okay, Now once you press the escape key, you will come to the gateway of Tally. Look here, gateway of Tally. In this gateway of Tally, there is a first, what is our trial balance. Now trial balance you are going to see, then you have to go to the display. Here display is given, to click on the display, so it will go to the display. In the display menu there is a trial balance, so click on the trial balance. Okay, once you click on the trial balance, you will get all the details here. Trial balance is Tally of 5,97,500. You want to see the detail, then press Alt plus F1 key. You will get a details, what account you pass, what the entries you pass, everything you will get in detail. See capital account, sundry creditor, machinery account, opening stock, bank account, cash in hand, how much amount is there, sales account, purchase account, interest received, and salary. So this is a debit amount and this is a credit amount. The debit amount is got Tally of 5,97,500 and the credit amount also 5,97,500. So you get a trial balance for the final account also. So here final we have already seen the trial balance. Now we are going to see the profit and loss account. Press escape key and go back and see the profit and loss account. You have to come to the gateway of Tally. Once you came to the gateway of Tally, then there is a profit and loss account. Here is the profit and loss account in the report. You have to go to the report and click on profit and loss account. So go to the profit and loss account. See a profit and loss account also, you want to see the detail, then press Alt plus F1. So once you press the Alt plus F1, you will get a profit and loss account detail here. This is the trading account and this is the profit and loss account. You know, you are learning the account, so teacher Sushma already taught you which is called trading account, which is called profit and loss account. So this part called as the profit and loss account and this one is called as the trading account. Okay, so trading account and profit and loss account. Here you will get the gross profit. Now this company is in the gross profit, so gross profit borrowed for years here already is given. Indirect income 2,000, net loss 3,000, salary 5,000. Why 3,000 net loss? Because here expenses are more and income is less. So expenses 5,000 are the income 2,000 is there. If you are going to deduct this amount from this expenses, you will get a 3,000 net loss, because we are going to make a tally this one. So that's why the 5,000 is here and here 5,000. Here also trading account we made the tally over here. Look here 25,000 and here that the same thing, closing stock goods here 5,500. So this is a profit and loss account. Come out from this by pressing escape key and then go to the balance sheet. Now check the balance sheet. Balance sheet also it should get Tally. Now the balance sheet, you want to see the detail in balance sheet, press Alt plus F1. Once you press Alt plus F1, you can see the detail. Capital account, sundry creditor, fixed asset. You know the fixed asset, and it will go to the balance sheet asset side, and the liability side capital account, and current liability or whatever loans you have taken, that will go to the liability side. In the asset side you will find the current asset, fixed asset, and the profit and loss, whatever that amount you comes, that will be displayed. Okay, so here the balance sheet got Tally 5,20,000 and 5,20,000. Here we have seen trial balance, profit and loss account, and the balance sheet. Now we are going to see the day book. So press escape key and come out and we'll go to the day book. To display the day book, you have to go to the display and click on display menu, day book. So day book means day wise information will get, payment how many we had and received. Now press Alt plus F1, you will get a detail here. Okay, so now here payment you made 2, total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 are there. So here how many day book is shown? Look here, payment shown here, this payment second voucher we created, then the cash, here interest receipt voucher is there. Here 3 receipt voucher we made. So okay, this is the one. So here it is given that day book. And if you want to see account book, you can see in the account book cash book and the bank book. You can click on the cash book and the bank book, you will get a detail. You want to see the detail, Alt F1 you can press and you can see the detail here. See the cash in hand, you got 5,62,500. In the July wise you can go detail here, payment how many you made, receipt how many made, that all this detail you will get. This is according to the this one, cash book and bank book. Sales register, purchase register also you can see. Go to the purchase register. Now what you purchase will get, see the purchase register. Okay, and sales register, anything is there? Nothing is there now. Okay, so these are the report account, in account book you will get. Now list of account what you created, that also will get receipt and payment, also cash flow, fund flow. So these are the different. You want to see the report, you have to come to the gateway of Tally and click on report. So you can see the balance sheet, profit and loss account, stock summary, ratio analysis, display, and display. You why to go to the display, you can see the trial balance, day book, account book, etc. Okay, click on the quit to, you can quit quit from the this menu. Now I hope that you understood how to create a ledger account, how to create a company. Once you create a company, then the next task is you have to create a ledger account. Once you created a ledger account, means once you found two account from the transaction and you created ledger account, then you have to go to creating a vouchers. To go to creating voucher, you have to go to the accounting voucher. In the accounting voucher, you can start creating the vouchers. While creating the voucher, you have to select the proper account, debit and credit. So this way you can create our this company. So this is the board practical, skill oriented practical one. This practical you are going to write in your journal. Last class, last when we had conduct the online Google meeting, that time I already spoke about you have to put a file to write all the practical in that. So this practical also should go in a journal of computerized accounting with GST. I hope you understood how to create a company, how to create a ledgers, and how to pass the voucher entry. Thank you.